Imagine returning to your job after a significant break, whether it is for family, medical reasons, or perhaps a military deployment. You have prepared yourself mentally and professionally, but one crucial question might linger. What about your benefits? When you return to work after an approved leave, you generally have significant employee rights concerning the reinstatement of your benefits. The most powerful protection often comes from federal laws such as the Family and Medical Leave Act, alongside state laws and your company's own policies. These rules aim to restore your benefits as if you had never been away. The fundamental principle behind benefits reinstatement is to ensure you are returned to an equivalent position, including your benefits package, upon your return from protected leave. For instance, under the Family and Medical Leave Act, often referred to as FMLA, your employer must restore your health insurance cover to the same level you had before your leave, without any waiting periods. This also applies to other benefits like life insurance, disability plans, and the accrual of paid time off. Your employer cannot requiring you to requalify for these benefits just because you took a leave that is covered by law. The intent is to prevent you from being penalized financially or in terms of your well-being for taking necessary time away from work. This principle extends to retirement plans as well. While your employer is not typically required to make contributions to your retirement account during an unpaid FMLA leave, they must credit you for the time you were on leave when calculating your vesting in the plan. This means your eligibility to fully own your employer contributions continues to progress. It is about protecting your long-term financial security and ensuring that your dedication to the company is recognized even during periods of absence. State laws might offer additional protections or cover different types of leave, further reinforcing these reinstatement rights. To make sure your benefits reinstatement goes smoothly, there are a few proactive steps you can take. First, review your company's employee handbook and discuss your specific benefits plan with your human resources department before you begin your leave. Confirm in writing how your benefits will be managed during your absence and what to expect upon your return. When you come back to work, carefully check your first few pay stubs and any benefits statements. Look for deductions for health insurance, contributions to your retirement account, and your updated paid time off balance. If you notice any discrepancies or if a benefit appears to be missing, contact your human resources representative immediately. Provide them with the documentation from your initial leave discussion. Keeping detailed records of all communications about your leave and benefits is a powerful tool to ensure everything is processed correctly. Remember, clear communication and diligent record keeping are your best allies. One interesting detail to remember is the difference between maintaining benefits during leave and reinstating them afterwards. During an unpaid leave, you might be responsible for paying your portion of health insurance premiums to keep your coverage active. However, upon reinstatement, the employer's obligation to contribute returns, and you should not face a new enrollment process or a waiting period that a new hire would. This avoids a gap in crucial protections like medical coverage or life insurance. It is a subtle but very important distinction that safeguards your continuous well-being. Understanding your employee rights for benefits reinstatement is essential for a stress-free return to work. By knowing the protections afforded by laws like the Family and Medical Leave Act and your company policies, and by taking simple steps to verify your benefits, you can confidently transition back into your role with your financial and personal well-being fully intact. It ensures that taking necessary time off does not come with the hidden cost of losing vital support.